In this video, I'll guide you through blocking someone on Monopoly Go. To start, open up Monopoly Go. Once you're in, head to the Friends section at the bottom right of your screen. From there, navigate to the leaderboard. Under the Friends section, there isn't a direct block option, but you can remove someone as a friend. Simply select the user's name and choose Remove. Confirm your action and they'll be unfriended. If they try to add you again, head to the Add Friends section and deny their request. While it's not ideal, that is the current method. Let's hope for a block feature in the next update. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.